X-intercepts occur where the polynomial is equal to 0, or the y-coordinate is equal to 0, it crosses the x-axis. The y-intercept occurs where x is 0, so you plug 0 into the polynomial. For this one, we'll find all the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. And let's first start with the x-intercepts. We'll say 0 equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. And this might be a little difficult to see, but it looks like we can factor this one by grouping. And when I do that, this gives me x squared times x plus 3. I'll pull out a negative 4, get x plus 3. This then gives me x squared minus 4, x plus 3 on the right. X squared minus 4 is now a difference of squares. So it's x plus 2, x minus 2, and x plus 3. And from here, we can see we set each equal to 0. And we see that x equals negative 2 is a 0, x equals 2 is a 0, and x equals negative 3 is a 0. We can write these as points as well, negative 2, 0, 2, 0, and negative 3, 0. Now for the y-intercept, we evaluate f of 0, and that's just the constant term, so negative 12. This is the same as the point 0, negative 12. To do this in the calculator, we just have to plug the function into the graph there. So x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. We graph this, and we see pretty quickly the zeros are here. To get the y-intercept, just press trace and then plug in 0. Gives us negative 12. That one's the easy one. And for the x-intercepts, we have to get a little closer. You can use second calc, choose 0. Make sure you're to the left of it, then to the right of it. Press enter one more time. This one gives us 2. We can also, since we've found these by hand, we can just double check. So the other two should be negative 2 and negative 3. And those are both the zeros there. So there's no real need to actually factor this one. You could just use the calculator and read off the zeros. But it's always good to know how to factor these as well.